So what we all probably guessed is true. Chance Hymas has an ACL injury. This is pretty what we thought. After the Monday saying he was going to get an MRI, we have an update from him on his Instagram. And who better to give you the update than him himself? So I'm going to let the update he posted play, and we'll go from there.
Everybody, just want to come in here and give you guys an update. Just want to say thank you for all the kind words for the last couple days while I've been trying to figure things out. But yeah, unfortunately, I have a fully torn ACL in my right knee. Luckily, it's looking like that's the only thing that's wrong right now. I have a sprained MCL and a little bit of contusion to my meniscus, but right now it's not looking too bad. So yeah, definitely a bummer. It's gut wrenching. It's been a couple hard days for me trying to just process it, but now I'm looking forward to getting this thing fixed and coming back next year strong. But I'm gonna go to Vanderbilt next week and get this thing fixed up, and then head out to Cali and work with Doc G and get me right. So once again, thank you guys for all the kind wishes. Not the news I want to be sharing, but we're gonna move forward past this. I've done this before, so it's not gonna stop me now. So thank you guys.
Now, obviously, this sucks. I mean, he's already had 2 ACL injuries on the left side. Now he's going to have an ACL injury on the right-hand side. And being as young as he is, this is not the way you really want to start a career. I mean, once you start blowing out ACLs, they don't really seem to hold up too well the longer it goes. And, I mean, yes, he was already out of the championship, so it's kind of a non-issue. I mean, points-wise, championship-wise, whatever. But now it's just another injury, another rehab, and we'll see how long this goes. Was it like 5-6 months or something like that before you really get back on the bike? I think that's what Tomac did, but you can't really gauge yourself off of Tomac or Jet Lawrence for that matter too. And who knows? I mean, this sucks. I mean, he had a 1-1 and a 5-3. Like, really, that weekend didn't look bad, even considering he didn't go, dominate again. It still looked like a good weekend for him. He was out racing, was it 4th overall or something like that? And it just sucks. I mean, you never want to see somebody get injured. It's just the way this works sometimes. The sport is not exactly nice on the body, and it's the simple things. Like, you go through a corner, you put your leg down, and you dab for half a second, and it just gets wrenched the wrong way, and there goes your knee. Boom. So it sucks to see. I mean, obviously, the championship is basically done already with Deegan winning and Jet winning the 450, so the outside is kind of a waste of time at this point. But you always want to see the most people racing. You never want to see anybody get injured, because the more people that are out there, the more factory guys, top guys, championship contenders, the better it is to watch, the better product they're putting out, the more fun it is for the fans. And I mean, you never want to see anybody get injured in general, just because why would you ever hope that for somebody? But I don't know. You guys tell me, are you going to any of the upcoming rounds? Southwick, which is the one I'm going to, any in the future? Do you think the championships are done like I do, with Deegan and Jet basically just going to run away with this year? Or do you think, hey, maybe they'll implode and somebody else will come up? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.